Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add a question to your Google Classroom. So you've created a Google Classroom and added students to it. Now it's time to give them something to do. So from our URL address, or in our URL address, we want it to go to classroom.google.com and bring us to our home page where we will see all the courses that we're either a teacher of or a student in. In order to add a question, we need to be inside of a course, so I'm going to click on the title Contemporary America to enter that course. That'll bring us to the stream or the home page of this course. And to add a question, we want to hover over the plus sign in the lower right hand corner and then click Add Question or Create Question, which looks like a question mark. When you click on it, it'll bring up a dialog box asking, what is the question? Okay, and then additional instructions. I'm going to write, record your response or check with your neighbor. A lot of teachers use questions as starter activities or bell ringers, something to kick off class. So a lot of times the due date will actually be the same day that it's being assigned. So in this case, I'm going to mark July 29th. Beside that, we have two toggle options, where students can reply to each other, and if it's on, then students can reply to each other's answers, and students can edit their answer after they submit it. And if it's on, then students can turn in and then unsubmit and edit what they type. We also have the choice between short answer and multiple choice. Underneath those options, we have if we want to upload a file from the computer, from our Google Drive, if we want to include a YouTube video, or a link to an external URL. Beside that, we have which all classes do we want this question to be seen by. And in this case, we want the question to be seen only by the Contemporary America class. So we leave it as such, and then we click Ask. It'll take a second and create the question, and it'll put that question then at the front or the top of the stream. So it'll be visible to all. In order to see what it looks like when a question is done, I've included this tab, which shows a class that existed during the 2015-16 school year, and a question that was used in class: how did events happening in Iran impact the 1980 presidential election in the U.S.? And you can see that 25 students submitted an answer and 4 did not. Some of those could have been absent students or excused for some other reason. And then you click on the word done or on the title of the question, and it'll bring up the responses that those students had given. So that's how you add a question in Google Classroom, and that's also how you see the student responses. They're useful in starting off the class and getting discussion going about the topic for that day. Thanks for watching.